What's going on, guys? We're gonna play with some toys, shoot some stuff way down there. I'll go down there and show you. Got a couple ARs, a Mac 90, AR 556223, AR 556223, and the Beowulf 50 cal. Shooting beer cans. Go down and look at what we're shooting. Got a couple things set up right now. Got a couple cameras we're going to try to play around with, see if we can get some decent footage. Got a camera right there that's going to shoot back that way and see us. Got a couple GoPros down here set up. Got a good old Emerson Copeland scroll filter dryer that got changed with that compressor. Got an old field piece SC777. Clamps broke, as you can see. We're not killing good tools. And what else? Oh, got that's a Goodman air handler board in there. Bryant thermostat and a user interface and some other stuff if we have time. So no time like the present. Let's tear some shit up. Yeah, 'cause she's still smoking, ain't she? Can't see it in the camera though. Now we're gonna go with some green tips and see what they do to that. Here's our poor field piece meter, which did surprisingly well. Weren't sure if we were hitting it at first, but they were just passing right through. It's part of a jacket right there. Alright, now we're going to go some green tips. Is this 556 or 223? 556 green tips. And see what they do. Because obviously there was no pass-throughs, which I don't think the green tips are either, but we'll find out. Green tips versus Copeland scroll. I was wrong. We had rounds pass through. That was just a ricochet. Filter dryer got tagged again by Josh. One hell of an exit hole. And my poor thermostat, I don't think I'm gonna be able to file a warranty on this thing. Damn. Tore it up pretty good. I think Josh had sentimental thoughts about the the user interface. He didn't want to damage the screen, so he double tapped the side of it. But now we're gonna blow that shit up. Got to add in that the next two that we're firing, these were all 5.56. Now I'm gonna be shooting the Mac 90, and Josh is gonna be shooting the 50 cal. And the 50 cal doesn't have sights on it right now, so we're just doing the best with that one. So yeah, let's get it. The shells go up and land on the other side of me. That was only 45. This is after, what? Starting to get confused. This is after the Mac 90 Beowulf. Did you shoot the Beowulf at this? No, we didn't shoot the Beowulf at this. The Mac 90 and the Springfield, what is that, XD? XDM 45. That's what put the these big bastards in there. The Mac 90, I believe, will run the tape back, but we think, since those weren't jacketed, those were just lead, that that's what it did. Sorry, Josh, 45s didn't pass through it, buddy.
Not supposed to.
Oh, I know. I could see the channel that it made. And I think I'm going to be in the market for a new meter because I don't know how well that one's going to work. That should buff out, I think, though. Ever wanted to see what was inside of a user interface? This is not the way to go about doing it. But it's still got the logic, so I'm sure it still works.